everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany and I'm on a mission to hit subscribers. So make sure you click that button down below. I would appreciate it. So we're actually going to be doing a pretty fun video today. My personal opinion, I found a loop around if you are to download a font through defont.com and it is not working with your Ricoma software. I will explain everything on exactly how I was able to work around this loophole in the next clip. So hopefully you do appreciate it, and then at the end we'll run that design and show you what it looks like. So if you're curious on how I was able to create that design, even though Ricoma was not working with me, I want to show you exactly how I did it. So as you know, I do get a lot of my fonts off of defont.com, and I can go ahead and link them down below, but I do use Ricoma in order to create a lot of my embroidery designs. Now, I've mentioned this before in videos, sometimes you can find designs or fonts on Defont. You bridge them over to Ricoma and they will not work, or they're gappy or something will happen. So for example, I have a font that's called Monogram, and if I was to go on here and create that design, a lot of the times the letters are going to look very funky. So if you zoom in right here, look at the L, for example, that just looks like a cluttered mess, right? So what I've actually have learned is I do have Cricut. So what I will do is I will actually go into Cricut, create the design exactly like I want it. Then I'm gonna go to this little snippet tool. If you do not have this saved at the bottom of your screen, I highly recommend doing that. Just in your search bar, just type snippet tool and this little box will pop up. And as you can see right here, it says snipping tool. You're gonna hit new, and basically what it's gonna do is allow you to copy any design on your computer. So I'm gonna go ahead, highlight my design. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that design and bridge it over to Ricoma. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one because obviously we're not gonna use it. Let's go ahead and delete it. We're gonna go to File. You're gonna hit, actually no, sorry, we're gonna hit this A button. It's gonna be an auto digitizing, and this is how you're going to find it on your desktop. So we're gonna browse. Once you find that image, you're gonna go ahead, select next. Now it will show you your width and your height. If you wanna change them here, you can. Personally, I don't, I just kinda leave it. And then from here, it's going to show you all the different colors within that design. And since I am only working with black and white, it's going to show that the white will not bridge over, but because the black is check marked, that will bridge over for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit finish. And when I do that, boom, now you can see that I have this design, and now I'm able to create it on my product. All right, and then as you guys see, this is the completed design right here. I'm bringing you in as close as I possibly can. And personally, she looks really good. Now this is actually gonna be going on a baby onesie, so the font size is pretty small. I believe I have it at just about a 3" in the width. So it's gonna look perfect, and this is the color that she did decide on. Of course, as you know, I did run a sample before running it on the physical product. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know it was super small, but it is a loop around, and I found that it was very, very helpful for myself. And just in case you guys don't know about it, hopefully you can use it. If you did know about it, let me know down below. Any other video suggestions you guys would like to see, just leave it in the comment section and I'll see you there. see you on the next crafting project. Bye everyone.